central Kentucky, southwestern Barron County in south central Kentucky until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles northeast of Scottsville and moving north at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Maynard, Port Oliver Fort, Lucas, Austin, and Cedar Springs. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
Okay, if you guys didn't hear that, that was the old format for a severe thunderstorm warning or a tornado warning. It said Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing, let's see, what did it say? Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. That is the old, that is the old format. Also, if you guys didn't notice, new setup. Hope you guys enjoyed.